Let's look at this question. If fx is a quadratic polynomial such that f5 is equal to 35 and f of minus 5 is equal to 15 and f of p is equal to f of q is equal to 0, find p plus q. Okay, my basic understanding tells me p and q are the roots of the quadratic. Fine. So I have ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. When I replace x with 5, I get 25a plus 5b plus c is equal to 0. And when I replace it by minus, sorry, not 0, this is 35 now. When I replace it by minus 5, I still get 25a plus, sorry, minus 5b plus c is equal to 15. When I resolve these two, first equation minus second equation, I get 10b is equal to 20 or b is equal to 2. So my equation is now turned to ax square plus 2x plus c is equal to 0. Now I need the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is minus 2 by a. I still have no idea about value of a. Therefore, answer to this question should be option D.